Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best antifungal cream is probably one of the most sought-after treatments for toenail fungus, a common and stubborn condition that affects millions. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the most effective antifungal cream for your specific needs, examining key factors such as active ingredients, application methods, potential side effects, and overall efficacy, helping you make an informed decision to restore the health and beauty of your toenails. Number 5. Fungi Nail Ointment. It's clinically proven to cure and prevent fungal infections. This powerful formula eliminates fungus on your toes and feet. Protect your skin from fungus. It kills fungus, stops itching and burning, and restores your skin's health. With maximum strength toenail, it cures and prevents infections. Plus, it includes soothing aloe and tea tree oil. It's specially formulated with 5 essential oils for a powerful, yet gentle treatment. These include tea tree oil, aloe vera, and more. It's simple, easy, and mess-free. It kills fungus, soothes itchiness, and restores healthy skin. The dual-angled brush applicator precisely targets the infected areas, helping to prevent the spread of fungus. What we like. This clinically proven formula effectively eliminates fungus. Its maximum strength medicine tackles even stubborn infections. If you value ease of application and proven results, this is the choice for you. What people say. I started with the nail fungi ointment treatment on July 25th, and it has been exactly 1 month with every day applying the ointment on my toes. After a shower, I would, generously, apply the ointment to his feet and then have him put socks on before going to bed. I followed this regimen 3 nights a week for 4 weeks. I followed the instructions to apply fungi nail twice a day and continued this effort for 2 weeks. I'm so happy to say now I'm very happy that my natural toenail color has returned. Number 4. Ebanel Athlete's Foot Treatment. This extra-strength antifungal cream tackles athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. It's clinically proven to relieve itching and promote healing. It's infused with natural oils like tea tree and manuka oil to soothe irritated skin. These oils also help to prevent the spread of fungus. It helps prevent fungal spread to nails and supports new, healthy nail growth. Consistent use is key for visible results. This cream offers maximum strength against stubborn fungal infections. It penetrates deeply to eliminate fungus and promote healthy foot health. It's made in the USA in an FDA-registered facility. It's odorless, non-greasy, and gentle enough for children 2 years and older. The precision brush applicator makes it easy to use. Apply twice daily for 2 to 4 weeks to see results. What we like. This extra-strength cream not only treats the infection but actively promotes healthy nail regrowth. It's enriched with natural oils to soothe and nourish. If you're seeking a treatment that supports new nail growth, this is the one for you. What people say. With alcohol and tether soap wash 2 times day ZND application after both times, it's all gone. It new like nail polish, with a small brush on lid to paint on effectively. The brush makes it easy to apply and the scent left behind even after your nails have dried is okay too. This made for a great add-on to my New Year New Toes regimen of 2022 LOL. The yellowish and brittleness is almost gone. I can see how small the fungus is getting every time I soak my feet, and my new nail growth is amazing. I put it on before bed like 3 to 4 times and my symptoms are totally gone. Number 3. Terrasil Antifungal MAX. It's a powerful cream that contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients. It treats fungal infections while providing fast soothing relief for burning, itchy, and irritated skin. It's suitable for both men and women. This has been clinically proven to cure most fungal skin infections. That includes athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and more. You can trust it to work. It includes activated minerals, the result of over 20 years of research. These, along with other select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It's unlike anything else on the market. It's been dermatologist tested and is hypoallergenic, so it's safe for even the most sensitive skin. It also moisturizes cracking, scaling, and damaged skin. It's free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. It's formulated with select natural ingredients for safe and effective results. You can feel confident using it knowing it's made with high-quality, natural ingredients. What we like. This clinically proven cream provides fast, soothing relief from the discomfort of fungal infections. It's formulated with natural ingredients, making it gentle on the skin. If you need fast relief and prefer natural ingredients, this is a great option. What people say. Cream works almost instantly. As you can see, many of the colonies just came off with the scrubbing. Those that remain have a noticeable color difference. Also, the itching is gone. Once I purchased the Terrasil, things started clearing up very quickly, within days. It works magnificently, and I would have happily given it 5 stars if it only cost half of what it does. Terrasil is very soothing and it took the redness and itchiness out of the rash very quickly. Number 2. BLAINE'S Tineacide Cream. This powerful cream effectively treats and eliminates the fungus responsible for nail and foot infections. It's the leading non-prescription choice, recommended by doctors. It softens tough, brittle skin, allowing it to absorb deeply into the affected areas for superior treatment. Say goodbye to stubborn fungal infections. This cream tackles a wide range of fungal infections, including athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. It provides comprehensive relief from various fungal problems. It contains miconazole nitrate, a proven active ingredient, combined with soothing natural oils like tea tree and lavender. The emollient base ensures gentle yet effective treatment. It serves as an excellent addition to oral antifungal medications, enhancing their effectiveness and providing complete relief. Experience the best of both worlds for faster healing. Don't let fungal infections control your life. Choose BLAINE'S Tineacide for effective, doctor-recommended relief. Get back to enjoying life, fungus-free. What we like. This clinically proven cream is doctor-recommended and penetrates deep to effectively treat the infection. It also softens hard, brittle areas for better absorption. If you want a doctor-recommended treatment with deep penetration, this is a good choice. What people say. If you've had toenail fungus for years as I have, and you're willing to devote at least a year to cure it, you should try this. 9 months or so have passed since I began treatment, and I'm more satisfied with this product now. If nothing else has worked for you, then devote a full year of use to this product with the hope it will be successful. After 6 months of use, I believe this product is worth a try. For me, it will take at least another 6 months before I know for sure. I used as directed with a few exceptions. I did not use sparingly because too sparingly means there will not be enough of the product on the nails and surrounding tissue. Number 1. Vigorwell Nail Kit. This kit provides a complete solution for restoring damaged nails and effectively combating stubborn toenail fungus. It's your key to healthy, beautiful nails. It includes 32 patches designed to target and treat nail fungus, providing intensive repair while you sleep. These patches work hard to help restore your nails. The kit also contains a 15 ml bottle of powerful nail repair liquid. This extra-strength formula is designed for efficient and effective treatment. The innovative patches work tirelessly for 8 hours while you sleep, providing continuous treatment throughout the night. Wake up to healthier-looking nails. This kit offers an extra-strength formula, giving your nails the care they need to achieve a healthy and beautiful appearance. It's the powerful solution you've been searching for. With its combination of powerful patches and liquid, this kit offers a comprehensive approach to nail repair. It's time to get your nails back to their best. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution with patches for overnight action and a powerful liquid for extra strength treatment. It's a convenient and effective way to tackle the problem. If you prefer a comprehensive approach with overnight treatment, this kit is for you. What people say. After a few weeks of consistent use, I've noticed significant improvement in the appearance of my nails. They're super easy to apply and stay on well without peeling off during the day. I like that they're mess-free compared to creams or solutions. The first bottle of the fungus treatment worked very well, the fungus disappeared with no problems. It seems to work. It's difficult to tell because it takes such a long time. But I'm noticing a difference and the patches have incredible adhesion. Depending on your skin color, the material for the patches kind of blends in with your skin color and it's very thin, so it's a good way to provide treatment and also hide an unsightly infected toenail. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.